Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are good. Students, in the previous class, we have done with chapter number 1, and now in today's class, we are going to start with chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Working on Word. Everyone, open your books and open page number 11 of the book. In book 1 and 2, we learned how to edit and format a Word document. Careful editing and formatting gives a polished look to a document. In this chapter, we will learn about some ways in which we can present information in a more organized and attractive way. We will learn how to insert comments, tables, charts, and other features in a Word document. First of all, students, on page number 11, they have given book 1 and book 2, it means in level 6 and 7 you have already learned about that how we can edit and how we can uh, make some changes in a Word document, right? But in this book, in when you are in level 8 and in book 3, we are going to learn more features about how to organize, how to present our documents in such a way, in such an attractive way that others can like it. Okay, हम उसको अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को और कितना अच्छा बना सकते हैं, किस किस चीज़ों को यूज कर सकते हैं, कौन से मटेरियल्स को, फॉर एग्जांपल हाउ वी कैन यूज tables, how we can use charts and other features in a Word document. Beta, as you all know that we are having right now, we are having our virtual classes, our online classes. So first of all, how your teacher asked you to do the work in your classes when you were having your classes in your schools. So we used to write on the boards and you used to copy down from the board, right? But as you know that right now we are going through through this pandemic, and in this pandemic we are having our virtual classes. So we can do the work, we can study also through online, but right now we are not having our whiteboards and we can show you through our screens, right? We can use Word documents. If I want to differentiate between something, I can make a table on my computer on a Word document, right? अगर आप वर्ड मीनिंग भी अगर आप करते हैं इंग्लिश में, तो आपकी टीचर ने आपको याद होगा कि क्या कहते हैं, टेबल्स इंसर्ट किए हैं, उसमें पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट किए हैं, उसको अट्रैक्टिव बनाया है, इक्वल का सिंबल लगाया. सो all these we are going to learn in this chapter, right? Let's start. Inserting a comment. A comment is a remark or an of opinion made by the person creating a document. The remark or opinion may be about some point made in the text. A comment is not part of the text but aims to point out some important aspect of the text to the reader. Sometimes the reader might make his own comments while reading the document. Let's see how we can insert a comment. Beta, if I want to make some comments, okay, comment means that when we are writing, when we are making the person creating the document, the person who is creating the document, and we are uh, making an opinion, okay. For example, the remark or opinion may be about some point. बेटा कोई भी पॉइंट हो सकता है, ठीक है, उसको जो है हम रिमार्क करें, ठीक है. अब वो बेटा रीड करते हुए जो भी रिमार्क करें किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट में. इफ आई वांट टू मेक अ डॉक्यूमेंट अबाउट लेवल 8, okay, and I made it and I wrote some points about it, and now I have to insert the comments, okay. And how can we insert the comments and what are the comments? Let's move to page number 12 and then we can learn. Move the cursor at the beginning of the text where you want to insert a comment. Beta, first of all, you have to move the cursor, you have to move the pointer of the mouse where you have to you want to insert a comment. Beta, जहाँ भी text के text को टेक्स्ट के बिगनिंग पे जहां भी आपको कमेंट ऐड करना है तो आप वहां क्या करें, कर्सर को प्लेस कर दें. इट मीन्स यू कैन सी दैट आई एम मूविंग माई कर्सर, इट्स अ कर्सर. बेटा जो पॉइंट आउट हो रहा होता है स्क्रीन पे, वी कैन कॉल इट अ कर्सर. Number second, select new comment from the comments group on the review tab. A comment box appears on the right hand side of the page. It contains a reference number for the comment. A dotted line link the comment box on the relevant text. Beta, when we move back to the page number 11, so you can see that when I select this टेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम्स, बेटा मैं जैसे ही नंबर 1 पहले कर्सर इधर रख दूंगी, इसको प्लेस कर दूंगी और उसको सिलेक्ट करूंगी, तो बेटा यू कैन सी दैट कॉमेंट N1. ओके, whenever I want to make some these of the comments, I can just write that comment N1. okay, I want to insert a comment, ऐसे जो है बेटा क्या हो जाएगा, इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. नंबर सेकंड क्या बताया बेटा मैंने, सेलेक्ट न्यू कॉमेंट. आपको क्या करना है, न्यू कॉमेंट को सेलेक्ट करना है कॉमेंट ग्रुप से जो रिव्यू टैब में आएगा. ठीक है, और कमेंट बॉक्स जो है बेटा राइट हैंड साइड, अभी मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाया राइट हैंड साइड, जो पेज का राइट हैंड साइड है वहां वो ओपन हो जाएगा. और बेटा उसमें आप लोगों ने देखा था उसमें रेफरेंस नंबर आ गया था N1. इसका मतलब वो हमें शो कर देगा कि कमेंट का रेफरेंस नंबर क्या है और वो किससे बिलोंग करता है. ठीक है. नंबर थर्ड, एंटर योर कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. Now beta, what you have to do in the comment box, you have to enter the comment. Okay, beta number 4, click anywhere on the document after entering your comment. You can change your comment by clicking inside the comment box and editing the comment. Beta, now if you have entered your comment from the comment box, now if you want to make some amendments or if you want to make some changes, so how can you make those changes? By clicking the inside comment box and editing the comment. बेटा जैसे ही आप comment box को click करेंगे उसके अंदर, तो एडिटिंग के उसको आप एडिट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसकी जगह जो है अगर प्रोग्राम लिखा है तो उसकी जगह अगर आपको कोई और कमेंट ऐड करना है, यू कैन ऐड दैट. राइट. नंबर 5, to delete a comment, right click inside the comment box and select delete comment from the menu that appears. Now students, the fifth step is, if you want to delete a whole comment, अगर आपको comment ही delete करना है तो आप क्या करेंगे बेटा, right click करेंगे comment box को और उसको select कर देंगे कि delete कर दें ये comment. इससे क्या होगा बेटा, आपका पूरा जो comment है वो क्या हो जाएगा, delete हो जाएगा. All right.